you clicked on this video because you want to know how you can create a capsule or cap, I don't know the name for it. So we create a circle, we can have 32 vertices. Then we tap into edit mode, press E, Z, move up a little bit, then press F, then we press Ctrl B to bevel, and then scroll your mouse wheel up a few times, like this. Then we press Alt left click to select the edge like this. Then we can press E and Z to move down. Then we want to select all of these faces like this, and then you just hold Shift and left click. So now when you have all them selected, press E, S to scale them in. Then we want to select these edges and do the same, hold Shift and left click. Like this. Then you press delete and edges. Now when we add a subdivision surface modifier, we will get something that looks like the finish. If we want to now, we can add another loop cut, Control R, move it up, and another one, move it down a little. Then we can press Alt, left click, and then we can scale this out a little bit. Then it's almost done. What we can do now is we can also add a solidify modifier, so we get some edge here. And then if you want to add a texture, you can go to this little thing here, new, and then you can either add metallic look or you can add in coat. This coat only exists in later versions of Blender, so if you're using an older version, this will not exist. But to see anything, you need to go into this shader viewport, either in Eevee or Cycles. I'll go into Cycles, and then we need a light. We can either add a light like this to see something, but I like to add HDRIs because it's easy, and because of the HDRI, we get free reflections. So if we make this a mirror like this, we can see that the HDRI reflects on this.